Okay, we are on the road to Hurricane Ridge. We thought we'd stop and get a little video in of, I believe that's Mount Olympus over there with the glacier ice. And we are above the fog. That looks so cool. Here we go, we're right at Hurricane Ridge. Thought I'd catch another quick glimpse. I believe that's Mount Olympus over there with the glaciers.
With me standing in front of it.
With you standing in front of it, look at that. Proof she was here. Okay, here we are on the Cirque Rim Trail up at Hurricane Ridge. Noble fir trees left and right. Look at that. Noble firs. Christmas trees. All of them. Yeah, Christmas tree ridge we ought to call this.
Did we have?
No.
More Christmas trees.
Yeah.
Christmas trees.
Do they smell like Christmas trees? All right. If we go right, we'll hit the meadow rim. We stay here, we do the Cirque Rim.
There's the whole
Fire and rain.
Oh, here's your views. Can't see anything today.
Hurricane Hill Trailhead. Okay, Hurricane Hill Trail. Right up there. Right there. That's Hurricane Hill. Unicorn Peak.
So the way you can get up to Hurricane Hill is to hike up there.
Hurricane Hill's there. Unicorn Peak. Griff Peak is right there.
Vancouver Island's right behind that.
Oh, it's all fogged in though.
Yeah.
Port Angeles. On a clear day you could see Port Angeles. Oh, look, there's a ski lift there.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah. Ice Station Zebra. Olympic Ski Patrol.
There it is.
Yeah, there's the...
It goes right through the trees now, so...
Well...
Oh, no,
Oh
it
yeah,
goes
it
right
goes
here.
here.
Right here. We're going about... Here it is, right here. Yeah, it's not running anymore. Hasn't for years.
Right.
Cirque Rim Trail.
Off the beaten path we go. Wish us luck, everybody.
Huh?
Wish us luck. We have no water. Straight up. Okay, we hiked up to a place called Sunrise Point. There's a little alpine squirrel right there.
And lots of butterflies.
He's watching us.
Little guy.
Hey, buddy. There you go. Yeah, don't get too close, but don't be camera shy either. Alright, that was close enough. Here's some people taking a selfie. Video. Keep panning around, we can see why they call it Sunrise Point, but this is beautiful, sunrise in the morning.
Which is sunrise or sunset is beautiful.
Yeah. And there is the glacier again over there, off in the distance. Oh, that's for me, I'm not here. I didn't think we had service.
I do.
Oh. Okay, we're on the Kahane Trail, which if you see, it's straight down. And it's just a little thin trail. Not even enough for the opposing traffic.
Wave, say hi to the camera. Say hi.
There you go. Hi.
Hi. Safe hiking, have fun. Say hi.
There you are.
Oh, pretty smile.
Ah, there you go. You too.
We just got photobombed.
That's cool. We're a good looking family.
Uh-huh.
Pretty little girl. Look like mama. Smile, try and smile. Well.